All right, here we go. Here we go. It's recording. Okay. So.
That was the practice.
All right. So we're gonna move these things, right? So
I told you guys.
I gotta move this. Woo! It's gonna be hard. So I'm gonna subtract the 5, right? So I got cosine of theta is equal to 10 minus the square root of 2 over 2 minus 5, right? And let's think about that. Remember when we had the square root of 2 over 2? Well, wouldn't this just be 10 minus the square root of 2 over 2 minus 10 over 2?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Oh no.
And then, because 5 is 10 over 2, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay? And then, these are the same, so that's just over 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then, what is 10 minus 10?
0.
Dang. So, then you have negative square root of 2 over 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So now, we know what, we've seen that before, right? We've seen that before, because it was negative 1 over the square root of 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay? So, but this is cosine theta, right? So at cosine theta, this is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we need to talk about adjacent over hypotenuse. So if we think about adjacent over hypotenuse, the hypotenuse, that's always going to be the 1, right? Or, I mean, the square root of 2, right? Because remember, this is a 45-45, right?
Yep.
So there's a 45-45, and this is always going to be the square root of 2, which means this is only going to be 1 and 1, right?
Sure.
Okay? But when we talk about adjacent, we're talking about adjacent to theta, right? Touching theta. Not opposite this time. Now we're talking about adjacent. Okay? So we're talking about here or here. Now, it says negative 1. That adjacent is negative 1. So we are not talking about here, are we?
I'm talking about down there.
We're talking about here. So the adjacent is negative 1. The hypotenuse is square root 2, right? Okay. So
What on earth is that?
the only way we can have this is 135. Right? Because the reference angle. Oh, wait. No, that's not the only one.
And 45?
It could be this one too.
Oh. Nice.
Right? Because this is still adjacent. And this is still the hypotenuse. And this is still negative 1, right?
Yeah.
So then it would be this one and this one, which would be 180 plus 45, which is 205? No, 225. Is that right? So 16 is going to be 135 and 225.
Is that it?
Oh, that's right. I thought it was 45 or 135 because that's the one for the one under it, but not. That's not 16. That's for a different problem. So yeah, that is correct. Woo! I'm good. I'm good.
Is it?
It's good. I got people out
Yeah,
there.
it's it.
Okay.
I got my peeps.
Yeah, I got the picture.
Can you send it to me?